What's up everyone, I'm Roxy, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you 5 ways in which you can use an old or expired planner. Before I share with you my tips, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at it's Roxy James because I'm hosting a giveaway with one of my favorite brands, Arteza, to give away these gorgeous pens and markers which are so perfect to use in your planner or bullet journal. Okay, so now let's get into the video. I'm using my bando agenda that I picked up way back in 2016 and didn't really use. It was in such a good condition that I really didn't want to throw it away. So here's how I used it. Tip number 1 is to change the dates on the planners by using date stickers. This is a quick and easy way to change your old planner and make it functional again. You can get packs of date stickers in Michael's and Joann's and also from brands like the Happy Planner. All you have to do is stick over the old dates with the new ones, and then you can use your planner like it's brand new. Tip number 2 is to use blank box headers and stick them over the old dates. I also added washi tape to cover the months, and I recommend using dark washi tape so that the writing won't print out. You can get blank boxes like these in many sticker kits and sticker books. I love this method because you can really personalize your planner inserts by filling out whatever headings you would like. For instance, I use mine as a fitness tracker by filling out my workouts every day. So I would have leg day, spin, upper body, and you can even add in some meals at the bottom. Other options for headers can be subjects that you're studying for or maybe events that you're planning. Okay, so in my third tip, I'm using washi tape again to cover the months. But as you can see, when it's a light colored washi tape like this one, the writing behind ends up printing out, so you can add another sticker on top of the washi tape like this to hide it. This adds more dynamic to your planner and makes it look a little extra. In this method, you can make a productivity planner by using headers such as to do, plan, remember, or anything else that you would like to use to cover the old dates. This is a really great idea if you want to convert a weekly spread like this into a daily spread that is divided into different categories. Tip number 4 is slightly similar to the other techniques that we used. So this time I added washi tape to alternating sides of the planner, and then I used these large boxes to hide the old dates. I also liked adding days of the week stickers like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, etc. as a different way of making the planner new again and functional. You can also use highlighters to add simple pops of color to your planner. So my last technique and one of my favorite ways to use an old planner is by converting it into a scrapbook. For the headings, I'm using fun scrapbook stickers to add titles to my scrapbook spread, and then I'm adding these beautiful journal cards to my spread. And of course, you're going to be hiding the dates when you do this. I think that this is the most versatile technique for utilizing an old planner because there are so many things that you can add to the spread to make it into a full scrapbook. I actually have a scrapbook essentials video where I share ideas for items that you can add into your scrapbook. So I'll link it down below if you need some ideas. Okay, so that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found some of these tips useful if you have an old planner which you don't want to throw away yet. Don't forget to thumbs this video up and subscribe if you want to see more planner videos like these. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.